This is a 13 on your side weather update.
Time now for a check of our forecast.
That's right, George. What can we expect for that holiday weekend everybody's so excited about?
Well, do you like today's weather, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is what we've got coming tomorrow and for at least the first half of the weekend. We do have one chance of a shower, but I would not worry about it. It is not going to affect your weekend plans. 13 weather ball is red, warmer weather ahead, and this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. As far as our dog walking forecast goes, we've got lots of sunshine for Angel and Silly. I'm wondering which one this is Silly. Ron, Sherry, you could take those guys out for a walk anytime. I'm going to give you the green paw this evening with warm temperatures in the 80s before they cool off into the 70s and then upper 60s as we get into the early morning hours. Our Lake Michigan half hour looking at good conditions out on the lake. Waves are fairly flat, a couple of 1-footers down on the south end of the lake, and we're going to continue with very light waves this evening. They're going to start to go up a little bit as the winds have turned around to the southwest. North of Manistee, some small craft advisories towards daybreak. Water temperatures are not going to be going down this weekend. They'll be going up. Right now they're in the low and even mid 70s, probably getting even warmer. Almost as much sunshine here tomorrow. We'll see some high clouds early on in the day, so compared to today's 9, we'll only be 8.0 and 4.5 on the wind energy scale. That's a lot better than the last 24 hours, mainly because the winds are going to pick up just a little bit. Now that high pressure is moving away from us, our winds are turning around to the south. We're starting to increase our humidity a little bit. We're going to see some high clouds later on tonight. It'll be a partly sunny start to your day, but as the day goes on, we'll be back into some sunshine. Got a little bit of a cold front coming down. We've been talking about this all week long. Doesn't have a lot of water with it, so there is a small, very small chance of a shower coming through on Saturday. We're talking about 20% chance. Then that front's going to go further to the south and just kind of hang out down here in Ohio and Indiana. That should stay far enough south where it should be sunny on Sunday and Monday as well, with the humidity levels dropping just a little bit. Now, temperature-wise, we'll be 88 here tomorrow in Grand Rapids, 88 in Traverse City, still in the 80s in the UP, but look at that cold front coming on through. We'll still be 86 on Saturday, but it cools off to 73 in Ludington, 70 Traverse City, and mid-60s across the UP. Look at that wind coming in off of Lake Superior Marquette at 57, and then we're going to cool off to 77 here on Grand Rapids on Sunday, and 60 still in the UP. Now, the long-range outlook for the middle part of September, high chances for warmer than average temperatures continuing, and we'll be back to near average amounts of rainfall apparently during that second week of September. For tonight, though, skies will become partly cloudy, mid-60s for overnight lows. Might want to consider turning that air conditioner back on. Low 60s up north as skies become partly cloudy, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, some of those high clouds around later on tonight, mid-60s for lows. 13 on your side forecast. We'll cool from the 80s to the 70s on Sunday as the humidity starts to leave. Beautiful start to the next week, including the holiday on Monday. Highs around 80 plus all week long. Maybe a little bit more humid toward the following weekend.
So a few leaves are starting to change on the trees up north, and all the Halloween decorations are out.
I know.
It's still summer.
But it's still summer, and it feels like it is a little steamy today, George. What can people expect for that weekend forecast?
Well, can't we just enjoy the season?
That's what I think. I love this weather.
Halloween candy's been out for like a month already. Can't wait to bite into those candy bars.
Oh, that's true.
Anyway, we have got a great weekend coming our way. Chances of rain are pretty small, and if we did, most likely on Saturday. Let's take a look ahead to your weekend. 13 weather ball is red for your Friday, and that means warmer and a little bit more humid weather ahead. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Highs today into the mid 80s. Average is 79. We did very well today, and we matched our forecast high of 84. That's a bullseye. We've had, 3 out of the last 7 days with bullseyes and within 3 degrees over the past 7 days. Let's recap August. Yes, we're into September 1. It was a little warmer than average, a lot wetter than average because of the couple of those rainy Saturdays and less sunshine by about 11%. So warm, wet, and cloudy. Also for the season of summer, since today is the first day of meteorological fall, we were actually a deficit for rainfall thanks to a dry June and July. Pretty close to average for temperatures, but again, deficit on that that sunshine. How about some traveling about the state? Up in Marquette, it's going to be 86 tomorrow, 56 on Saturday, and 64 on Sunday. That looks like fall, and everyone's going to cool off at least over the northern part of Michigan. Traverse City 88, 70 on Saturday, and 75 Sunday. We'll eventually get some of that cooler weather here from Detroit, Chicago down to Milwaukee by Sunday into Monday. Right now we've got high pressure overhead keeping us dry. That's pushing to the east. Southerly winds are starting to kick on in, and that's why our humidity level is going to go up the next couple of days. We're going to see some high level clouds come in here tonight, so you'll wake up to that filtered sunshine during the morning tomorrow, but those clouds should thin out throughout the day and will become sunny later on. Clear tomorrow night for all of you camping. Should be very nice. And then we have a slight chance of a shower as one of those cold fronts comes down. That's on Saturday. About a 20% chance you could see a brief shower. And then we'll just see partly cloudy skies on Sunday despite some showers down to our south. And those showers should stay south on Labor Day as well. So looking pretty good. Forecast then for tomorrow. Look for filtered sunshine, especially early in the day. Highs will be a little bit warmer than today, up into the mid and upper 80s. Up north, you can expect temperatures in the mid 80s with higher humidity. Filtered sunshine, especially early on. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll be in the upper 80s, maybe even 90 down in Kalamazoo. Yep, that's summer as we head into that last unofficial summer weekend. 13 on your side forecast. Humid as well Friday and Saturday. The humidity starts to go away on Sunday as the clouds start to clear. Lots of sunshine and comfortable on Labor Day. And next week, highs 80 plus. A few clouds from time to time, but very seasonable weather.